Welcome to Synchronicity Tarot. So today I'm back again with another quick pick a card reading. This is yes or no pick a card reading because it is a viewer's request. So I have 7 piles here, 7 seashells. You can choose according to the color or if you have any intuitive feeling or some kind of connection towards any other pile, you can choose that, and you can meditate on your question. And also you can choose more than one pile also, but please note that it is only for one pile for one question. Okay, don't ask many questions for one pile. Okay, one pile and one question, but you can choose as much as possible, as many as possible according to your questions. Okay, but before starting the reading, I would like to thank all my viewers, subscribers, whoever new to my channel. Welcome. And please note that these are general readings. It may or may not resonate with anybody, everybody. Then if you want personal reading, you can check my description box and given the details below. Then you can contact me if you want personal reading. Then if you want any other videos, then you can post it in the comment section. Then I love to read your comments, and please comment if my readings are resonating. It is kind of a encouragement for me. Then that's all I have for you today. So let's start the reading, and I will give the timestamps according to the color of the seashell. I will mention the color in the timestamp so that you can directly go to the reading. Okay, so let's start. So I will start the first reading with the yellow color shell. So please meditate and pray for your question. So whatever question is there in your mind, we will find out the answer. Wheel of Fortune, 10 of Swords, and Page of Swords. Okay, so here I can feel that whatever you want to have, whatever you want to achieve, this is yes or no. So whatever you are asking for, maybe it is a career, job, love, relationship, or a travel, anything, but universe is saying that this is wheel is turning to your favor, and you have faced a lot of difficulties in your life. You have faced a lot of disturbances, troubles in your life. You have faced many insults in your life, but universe is telling now this is the right time that you will get the success and victory in your life. And universe is also saying that you will get receive a notification or communication regarding your question very soon. Okay, so communication can be very swift communication. So whatever the question you are asking, if it is a job, then you will hear from them. If it is a love, then you will hear from that person, maybe a message or a text or a call. So maybe if the person blocked you, so that person might unblock you. So whatever question you are asking is, the answer is yes, because Wheel of Fortune is telling that this is the right time for you to get whatever you want to. The wheel is turning into your favor, and the answer is yes for pile number yellow shell. Whoever chose pile number yellow, then the answer for you is yes. Congratulations. Okay, let's move to red seashell. Whoever selected this red or orange seashell, this reading is for them. So the Hierophant, Page of Pentacles, and 7 of Swords. Okay, so here also I can see that the Hierophant means it is if you are asking for a love life, then this is a very stable, honest, and trustworthy person. Earth sign, Taurus sign. So this person is very trustworthy, and if you are asking that this person loves me or not, that the answer will be yes, because this person is very like committed, trustworthy, loyal. Okay, that kind of a person. If you are maybe earlier you felt that this person is a sneaky player or a flirty kind of a person, but now universe is saying that this person is trustworthy and you can trust him. Maybe you felt it like that, maybe your intuitions were wrong earlier. So the answer will be yes for you, and this person will be coming towards you with the pentacle. Like this is a slow moving energy, but definitely this person will be coming towards you with an offer of love and with a gift. This person want to come towards you. Pages means communication, so this person definitely want to communicate with you and come back to your life. And if you are asking about job, then universe is saying that yes, this is a stable offer for you. Maybe this is a long term. If you are asking about a job or a career or anything, so universe is saying that this is the long time, like it will be there long lasting in your life. If it is a job, then you will survive in the job for a long time. If you are asking about traveling abroad, maybe if you are if you want to go, then universe is saying yes, you can go, and you might be settling there, or you might stay there for long time. So this is Hierophant is a kind of a long term commitment or long term relationship, or anything that is long lasting. So whatever the answer, whatever the question you are asking, the answer is yes. If it is a love or a career or a travel or a business or a money, because money also we got pentacles here. That means money also will be better for you. If you are asking whether I will receive my money back or not, yes, you will receive your money back, because you can see Page of Pentacles. The person is holding a coin in his hands. So definitely whatever answer you asked for, the answer is yes. Congratulations. Then let's move to whoever chose this purple seashell. So this reading is for them. Let's see. Okay, Justice, Eight of Pentacles and Two of Pentacles. Okay, so Justice is, this is kind of like justice means you will get the justice. And I can see here, if you are asking about any love question, or you are asking about any other person, but strongly I can see that that person might be earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. And universe is saying that if you are asking about love connection, then universe is saying you will get the positive outcome and you will get the justice in this connection. Okay, so maybe long time you are juggling or you are confused with two people or two situations, then universe is saying that you will get the definitely a positive result. And you are working on that, you will work on that. Actually, you will work hard now on this. Maybe it is a connection or a job or anything, but you will get this. And after getting this also, you will work hard to build it up. Even if it is a business, if you are asking about any business related question, the universe is saying that yes, you will get the justice and you will work hard on this and you will achieve success. All the confusion earlier you had juggling, Two of Pentacles juggling is there. So whatever the confusion you are having will clear soon, and whatever you desire in your mind, it will happen definitely. So Justice card is a positive card, and it may also say that marriage, or if you are looking for divorce, and then this divorce will be sanctioned. And if you want to if you are already a divorcee and you want to marry somebody else, then answer is yes, you will definitely marry the person whom you are looking this reading for. So for overall the answer is yes, friends. Okay, so congratulations. Now let's see whoever chose this black seashell. Let's see, this reading is for you. Temperance, Ace of Swords, Page of Cups. Okay, so the answer is very, very positive. It is yes, 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 because temperance is balance. So universe is saying that definitely you will get balance in your life. Right now you don't have balance, you are imbalanced in your life, emotions are not balanced, and your job career also it is imbalanced. So you don't have any balance, maybe because of the corona, because of the situation, you are financially you are not balanced. And whatever the question you are asking, if you are asking about the question about finance, money, then career, love, for everything the balance will come into your life. Okay, temperance means it is also Sagittarius card. It is, you might be dealing with Sagittarius. I can see the water sign and air sign also. Okay, so you might be, if you are asking about love related matter, then definitely love will come towards you, because page of cups is there. That person will definitely come towards you with cup of love, and that person will offer you love, and communication will definitely come towards you, and you will have a new beginning, because ace of swords is there. Maybe if you are asking that will I find any new love, definitely you will find a new love, because ace of swords is new love or new beginning. So whatever the question you are asking is, the answer is yes, friends. Congratulations. Now let's see the brown card. Whoever chose this brown seashell, so this reading is for them. So High Priestess, Ace of Pentacles, then the Empress. Okay, so first actually High Priestess means it is a Pisces card, and very good. I mean, actually Empress card is there, and Ace of Pentacles is there, like that means new beginnings and new love. Okay, but universe is saying that you have to be little more open, less deceptive. So you are hiding all your feelings, kind of emotionally constipated, I would say. That means you are not expressing your feelings clearly to whomever you have to express. Even if it is a workplace or a love, you have to express your what you are thinking. You have to express your feelings freely to others, otherwise they don't know. And you have to you should ask like what you want in your life. You have to tell them, otherwise nobody knows, right? You have to open up your mind, and you have to tell them that this is what I want. Okay, otherwise nobody cares and nobody knows what you are thinking and what you want. So if you are asking about person or a love, then Empress is a very positive card, that that person will definitely offer you marriage, because this is Empress means it is a family, it is a mother. So that person sees you as a mother of his or mother of his children. Okay, so Empress card is very very positive, and this person is looking at you as a life partner, and he want to have a family with you, have kids with you. Okay, this is what Empress means. Then Ace of Pentacles, if you are asking about new beginning, if your love life is stuck and no communication, no contact, Ace of Pentacles means it is new starting. If you are asking about business, Pentacles means it is related to finance and money and business also. Okay, so your finance will be very good. You will be starting something new in your business or in your job. Okay, that will give you lot of profit, and you will get a very profit in your business or in your career. Maybe you will get promotion or salary hike. Okay, if you are asking about new love, definitely you will get new love with Ace of Pentacles. So that's all I have for you. This is everything very clear, the very positive answer. Whoever chose the brown color seashell, the answer is yes. Congratulations. So now, whoever chose this blue color seashell, this reading is for them. Okay, the star, very good. Then the world and the Three of Wands. I can see that you are dealing with Aquarius, or you are dealing with Sagittarius, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. And I can strongly feel that this is a long distance relationship. You are asking about a love life, love related question. So this is long distance relationship, and this person sees at you as your his or her world, and this person is waiting for you. He did not forget. He is holding the holding your this connection very strongly, and this person want to have communication with you. This person is waiting for the communication, and this person looks at you as a star, and this person maybe this is a waiting period. Star means this is a waiting period, and also it has a hope also in this situation. So the answer, whatever the question you are asking is, answer is yes. And if you are asking about any abroad chances, definitely you will go. This is world, and your job is like that. Like that, you may have to travel the world. This is a travel card actually. So whatever you are asking, if you want to go to abroad or if you want to get a job, you will get a job definitely, and you will get a job in such a way that you will travel the world. More traveling will be there in this, but you are waiting, and your waiting will be finished soon, and there is a lot of hope for you, and you will shine like a bright star, and you will be kind of a celebrity. And if it is work related, finance, then money and love or marriage, anything, the answer is yes for you. Very, very positive card. Okay, congratulations friends, whoever chose the brown color. Then last but not least, so whoever chose this green color seashell, this reading is for you. Okay, the Chariot, then Seven of Pentacles and Nine of Wands. Power went off friends, so excuse for the lighting. Okay, so this is also, the answer is very much yes, because Chariot is movement. Okay, so whatever you are asking, whether you are asking about love life or marriage or finance, then job or travel, so the answer is yes, because there is a movement in this like movement will be there soon in your life. Okay, movement means the answer will be definitely yes. Love of Six of Pentacles means it is a love card, and then Nine of Wands means you are very defensive right now, and your guards are up. If even maybe you don't have job right now and you are waiting for the job, or your partner is away from you, then you are waiting for the communication. For whatever may be the reason you are waiting. Okay, you are into waiting period, then universe is saying that your waiting period is done, and the Chariot means movement will come into your life. Okay, so movement will happen in your life in a positive direction, and you will do lot of charity and lot of giving. Okay, then your love life also will be very fulfilled, because it is both you will be in a giving side, and you will be very fulfilled, and you will get lot of satisfaction. Okay, then money also will be very good in your life. Okay, Six of Pentacles is there. So overall the answer is yes. Okay, congratulations. That's all I have for you today. If you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel friends. See you in the next reading.